Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the airport information section in the Aer Lingus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the information button. And at the info section, click on the travel information button. And then click on the airport information button. And here you can see the listed airports and what you can find about them. So if you're interested in the New York JFK airport, just click on that and you can find all the informations like terminal information, check-in time, lounge location, and so on. So you will get a detailed description on everything you need to know on that specific airport. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.